Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rupali. You read the title correct. I am going to share 7 products under 50 rupees and one of them is even for 3 rupees. It is not a gimmick. I am actually going to share products under 50 rupees. So the very first product are nail paint. These nail paints are from Trends. ये ना online तो मुझे नहीं दिखी है. I think Jio Mart पे दिखी है. But these are always present at Trends store. And these are amazing. These are just for 30 rupees, 5 ml quantity, which I think is perfect quantity because मैंने तो आज तक कोई भी nail paint completely finish नहीं की है. वो हमेशा dry हो जाती है. These are literally amazing. इनकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. I apply them on my nails. Even one of them is still on my nail. And they stay on my nail for 5 days without chipping off, and you have to apply double coat of these nail paints. I have 3 of them. One is M01 lavender, other is NE23 rosewood, and the third one is a top coat. Even top coat को भी you have to apply twice. Both of these are pastel colors. Store में ना shimmery colors भी available है. The only downside of these colors is that इनमें ना बहुत ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं अवेलेबल है. लाइक द वेरी लिमिटेड ऑप्शन, बहुत कम पेस्टल्स एंड बहुत कम ही शिमर कलर्स हैं. दैट इज़ द ओनली प्रॉब्लम आई हैव विद दिस नेल पेंट्स. अदरवाइज आई लव दिस नेल पेंट्स. आई रियली विश कि ट्रेंड्स वाले ना और ज़्यादा नेल पेंट्स अपने कलेक्शन में डालें सो आई कैन गो एंड परचेज मोर कलर्स. The second and last nail product is NY Bay Nail Polish Remover. It is acetone free nail polish remover. It's for 49 rupees but I got it for 39 rupees from purple.com and it is 50 ml, comes in a glass bottle. I purchased it 1 year back and I'm still using it and इसमें अभी भी आधा ऑलमोस्ट बचा हुआ है. and it's a great product. बहुत ही ईजिली आपका नेल पेंट निकाल देता है. ग्रेट फॉर ट्रैवलिंग, छोटू सा है, कहीं पे भी फिट हो जाता है. आई लव इट. सो द थर्ड प्रोडक्ट इज अ लीव ऑन कंडीशनर फ्रॉम सनसिल्क. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस फॉर 3 years नाउ and if you are someone who have thick, frizzy, a lot of volume in your hair and they are not controllable, so this is one of the best serum I have used till date. If you have thick dry hair, get this one, you will love it. And this bottle is not under 50 rupees. इसके ना small sachets available होते हैं any store आपके आसपास के जनरल स्टोर में. These are just for 3 rupees. एक पैक ना मेरे लेंथ के लिए 2 से 3 बार तो वर्क करता है एंड ये ट्रैवलिंग के लिए भी बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू कैरी अ एंटायर बॉटल इफ़ यू आर ट्रैवलिंग फॉर जस्ट फ्यू डेज. If you are someone जिसके बाल ना बहुत ही सिल्की हैं एंड बहुत थिन है, मे बी दिस कैन बी लिटिल स्टिकी फॉर यू. सो द बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू इज फर्स्ट ट्राई द स्मॉलर पैक्स. So the next product is a makeup product. It is Miss Clear lip liner in the shade Sandy Pink L24. I purchased this from Nykaa. It is for 65 rupees but ना ये हमेशा आपको under 50 rupees ही available होता है. I bought this for 39 rupees and the best part about this lip liner is that there is a huge color options available. These are super creamy, non-drying. Beautiful peach color. The best part about having a nude sort of a lip liner is now that you can use it with any of your lip color. It is a lot of product. Sometimes I also use it as a color corrector and I think it's worth giving try. So the next product is Dove Beauty Bar. I have been using this for almost 7 years now. It was recommended to me by my dermat in 7th or 8th standard. At that time my skin was so dry that sometimes I used to end up having dry patches on my face. So my dermat recommended this to me. Just a year and a half ago I completely shifted to face wash. Otherwise I was still using this on my face and even till today I am using this on my body. It is a very nice soap. It is not drying as compared to other soaps available in market. Its fragrance is decent. If you're a teenager or someone getting new into skincare, you can completely use it for your face as well. For body to 100% use it every day. I love it. But if you are someone who is dry skin, don't use it because today in market at the same price other dry skin face washes are available which are better than this soap. This is the 100-gram bar for 55 rupees but its other smaller bars are available under 50 rupees. So the next product is Pond's Super Light Gel and I have a kind of hate and love relationship with this product. If I don't use it, my skin feels dull and kind of dehydrated, and if I only use this, my skin feels dry. If you want to know how to exactly use it, do watch this video. I have completely given its review in that video. In that video, I told you that I won't repurchase this tub, but guess what? I'm on my 3rd tub, so clearly I can't live without it. It is great for pretty much every skin type, but still I'm telling you, if you are going to start using this product, go and first watch that video. And the main reason why I use this product is because it has hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid gives that plump to my skin. Usually hyaluronic acid is also present in a lot of products like vitamin C, so make sure before purchasing this, if any of your skincare products already has hyaluronic acid, you don't need this in your life. It is for 49 rupees 25 ml product. It gives a dewy finish. I have suggested this to 4 to 5 people and everyone loves it. So the next product is Pond's Light Moisturizer. This bigger tub is not under 50 rupees. Iska small wala pack which is of 25 ml, same as the other Pond's Super Light Gel for 25 ml, that is for 40 rupees. It is good for people who have normal and dry skin, but maybe oily skin people won't enjoy it. Maybe they can enjoy it during winters. Its review is up with a Pond's Super Light Gel, so do check it out. If you are looking for a good moisturizer, give this a try. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found some new products in this video. If you have any sort of question, comment down below, and also comment down what you feel of this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give the thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on my Instagram. That's all for this video. Bye bye.